Hello there, welcome to our new video, where we will show you the best setting for Vray for SketchUp. After copulating your model on SketchUp, open the Vray Asset Editor and go to Setting. Here we have 3 rendering engine models. CPU, which is good if you have a stronger CPU. GPU, which is used when you have a good GPU, and there is an option to choose both of them. I am going to stay with the CPU, since I have a good one. There are 2 different rendering processes. Let me show you what does interactive rendering do. Usually interactive rendering is used for fast rendering. And that is why we keep progressive on so we can see any changes while rendering and working in real time. We have a quality option which in interactive usually is low. The denoiser should be set to auto for best results. At render output, safe frames show us what is going to be captured by the render. On interactive renderings, the image width is always 600 for fast result. The other option is render with Vray, which is used for final renders, so the settings should be like this. Stop progressive. Quality medium plus or high. Denoiser should be set to auto. And the image width at least 1920. If you are wondering what this table is, it is a more detailed table for the quality of the render here. You can make the best of the best.